Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Jyoti Ketan and you're watching Arcandy. In this channel we discuss about architecture, construction and different material. Today we are going to discuss about Greek orders. So without further delay, let's get started with today's video. There are three distinct orders in ancient Greek architecture: Doric, Ionic and Corinthian. These three were adopted by the Romans, who modified their capitals. The Roman adoption of the Greek orders took place in the 1st century BC. The three ancient Greek orders have since been consistently used in European neoclassical architecture. Sometimes the Doric order is considered the earliest order, but there is no evidence to support this. Rather, the Doric and Ionic orders seem to have appeared at around the same time. The Ionic in eastern Greece and the Doric in the west and mainland. Both the Doric and Ionic order appear to have originated in Ur. The Temple of Hera in Olympia is the oldest well-preserved temple of Doric architecture. It was built just after 600 BC. The Doric order later spread across Greece and into Sicily, where it was the chief order for monumental architecture for 800 years. Early Greeks were no doubt aware of the use of stone columns with bases and capitals in ancient Egyptian architecture and that of the other Near Eastern cultures, although they were mostly used in interiors rather than as a dominant feature of all or part of exteriors in the Greek style. The Doric order originated on the mainland and western Greece. It is the simplest of the orders, characterized by short organized heavy columns with plain round capitals and no base. With a height that is only 4 to 8 times its diameter, the columns are the most squat of all orders. The shaft of the Doric order is channeled with 20 flows. The capital consists of necking or annulate, which is a simple ring. The echinus is convex or circular cushion-like stone, and the abacus is a square slab of stone. Above the capital is a square abacus connecting the capital of the entablature. The entablature is divided into three horizontal registers, the lower part of which is either smooth or divided by horizontal lines. The upper half is distinctive for the Doric order. The frieze of the Doric entablature is divided into triglyphs and metopes. A triglyph is a unit consisting of three vertical bonds which are separated by groups. Metopes are the plain or carved reliefs between two triglyphs. The Greek form of Doric order come without an individual base. They instead are placed directly on the stylobate. Later forms, however, come with the conventional base consisting of a plinth and a torus. The Roman versions of the Doric order have a smaller proportion. As a result, they appear lighter than the Greek orders. The Ionic order came from eastern Greece, where its origins are entwined with the similar but little known Aeolic order. It is distinguished by slender fluted pillars with a large base and two opposed volutes. In the echinus of the capital, the echinus itself is decorated with an egg and dart motif. The Ionic shaft comes with 4 more flutes than Doric counterpart. The Ionic base has two convex molding sculpturi, which are separated by scotia. The Ionic order is also marked by an entasis, a curved tapering in the column shaft. A column of the Ionic order is 9 times its lower diameter. The shaft itself is 8 diameters high. The architrave of the entablature commonly consists of 3-step bands. The Corinthian order is the most ornate of the Greek orders, characterized by a slender fluted column, having an ornate capital decorated with 2 rows of acanthus leaves and 4 scrolls. It is commonly regarded as the most elegant of the 3 orders. The shaft of the Corinthian order has 24 flutes. The column is commonly 10 diameters high. The Roman writer Vitruvius credited the invention of the Corinthian order to Callimachus, a great sculptor of the 5th century BC. The oldest known building built according to this order is Gorgias monument of Lysicrates in Athens, constructed from 335 to 334 BC. The Corinthian order was raised to rank by the writings of Vitruvius in the 1st century BC. Guys, this much for today's video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, stay tuned to my channel and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Please press the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.